Hey Chris, do you have a favorite national holiday in the US?
Hey Megan, that's a good question. I think my favorite is 4th of July, Independence Day.
Oh yes, I love that one too. What do you usually do for the 4th of July?
My family usually has a barbecue in the backyard, and then we watch fireworks in the evening. What about you?
Pretty similar. We usually go to the park with friends, have a picnic, and then watch the fireworks show downtown.
Nice. Do you have another favorite holiday?
I really like Thanksgiving. It's all about family, food, and being thankful.
Yes, I love Thanksgiving dinner. Turkey, mashed potatoes, stuffing, and pumpkin pie. Do you cook with your family?
Yes, we all help in the kitchen. It's a lot of work, but it's worth it. Plus, we watch the Thanksgiving Day parade on TV.
Oh yeah, and sometimes football, right?
Definitely. My brothers love watching the football games after dinner.
What do you think about Memorial Day?
I think it's an important holiday to remember the soldiers who died serving the country. We usually visit the cemetery or watch the local parade.
Same here. And I also like that it's the unofficial start of summer. People go to the beach or have barbecues.
True. And don't forget Labor Day at the end of summer. It's like the last big weekend before school starts again.
Right. My family often goes on a short trip or just relaxes at home.
Do you celebrate Martin Luther King Jr. Day?
Yes, I try to. Sometimes I watch his speeches or read about his life. It's a good day to reflect on civil rights.
I agree. It's more than just a day off. It's about remembering his message.
We really have a lot of meaningful holidays here.
Yes, and each one has its own traditions and spirit.
Maybe next time we can plan to celebrate one together.
That sounds fun, Chris. Let's do it.